So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to split your text into columns in Microsoft Word, just like you see in a magazine or a newsletter. So first of all, you go to your document that you want to edit to make sure that you have it opened in your Microsoft Word. After that, go ahead and select the whole sections that you want to put in columns like this. Like I have to select the first paragraph and the second paragraph. I want them to be split into two columns. So once I highlight them, remember the topic is not highlighted. I'll just highlight this section. I'll go to this tab section, then I'll click on layout. Here I have this section that says columns. I'll click on the drop down menu. You can pick two or you can pick three, depending on how you want to split your content. But let me pick two. Then you can see my paragraph has been split into two. Then the header, I can go back to the home tab like this, then center it in the middle so that you see I have this section and this section. Then I can even decide to put the borders in this paper after splitting it. So what I will do, I can just highlight the first paragraph like that. For you, the easiest way, you can just put your cursor on the first paragraph, then double click, then it will highlight the whole paragraph for you. Then you can go to this section. You see you can customize your work. You can just put all borders like this or outside borders like that. Once you click on that, the borders will go there. Then you can also triple click on this paragraph, then take on the borders like that. Can take the borders like that, then your work will start looking like that of the magazine or the newspaper. Breakup, you just go back. If you have a document that you want to split into two or three, just go highlight the whole section that you want to split, go to the layouts like this, then click on columns. Then you can split any of you can split it to the left, to the right, to the two sections or one section the way it was, or you can also go to more columns. Then you can pick from here how many columns you want to split. You can also customize. You can customize the width and the spacing that you want between the paragraphs that you have. You can also apply to this section alone, or you can go to the whole point forward or whole document. So depending on how you're working, if you're working with magazines or any poster that you want to make, you can use this option. You can come here and customize further to make sure your document fits what you need. Then once you're done, just click OK. Then your document will change on this section. That is easy. And that is how you create magazine style columns in Word. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.